Hello guys, in this video, we are going to know 5 useful WhatsApp tricks. Open WhatsApp. First, let's know how to delete everything in a group, except important texts and images. Select a text or image, select star, and now tap on 3 dots, select more. Tap clear chat. Select delete media in the chat. Is done. Secondly, listening a voice message without knowing to other person. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Select a voice message and forward to someone. And then listen. It's done. Thirdly, selecting a specific ringtone to specific contact in chats. Select that contact. Select custom notification. Enable use custom notification. Add a ringtone of your choice. It's done. Fourth is status trick. Changing a emoji color. Changing font of text. Adjusting size of pencil. It's done. Fifth is adding a location in your photo or status. Select location and is done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.